The next question type that you can use the drag and drop with is the ordering question. So if you would like students to put images in the order of how they happened, if you would like them to place in order the events leading up to a war, put the presidents in order. You can do all of these with the new drag and drop feature in the ordering question. So this is a very basic example. I have my images, and the students need to put the images in the order that they go in. So they can simply click and drag and put them all in the order. Another example of the ordering question, as I stated, would be, can I put the sequence of the story in order? This is without the images, and students can still drag. You're going to notice that this is a different set where it's not horizontal, it's vertical. So you do have the option to tell the program if you want them to be vertical or horizontal once you match them. So how do we create this? When we come into the Buzz editor, again, you can use this with an assessment, and you can use this with practice questions. I'm going to add a question. I'm going to make it ordering. In my ordering question, I'm going to go down to my interaction box, and I'm going to click drag and drop. It is your choice whether you wish to maintain response order and use horizontal orientation. In this case, I am, because I'm going to use images. Again, I'm going to say, please put the events of the story in order. And then I can insert my images. And you can insert as many images and as many answers as you wish to. All right, once everything is set and I have my order set, all right, I am now ready to use this as a drag and drop. If I don't want them horizontal, I can just click this off. And if I didn't want these to be images, I could just simply type the answers in there for students to be able to use. But this is another example of how you can use an interactive in an ordering question.